Hello and welcome back to Cricket Carts. I'm Noah, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the resort top on your RX5. Pictured is all of the hardware that you'll need to install the resort top on your RX5. The tools you'll need include a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/2-inch wrench, and a 14mm socket. For the resort frame, you'll have 2 angled front bars, 2 rear L bars, 1 top frame, 1 plexiglass windshield, and a canvas. Remove the front shroud pockets. With a Phillips head bolt, place a washer between the bolt and the bar, and then, on the other side, place a silver spacer. Install the angled rail at the bottom with the 90-degree bend facing towards the back of the cart. Starting with the bottom hole, loosely attach the hardware. Do the same with the top hole. Leaning back the rail may make it easier to install the spacer. Then affix the washer and locking nut to the back of the bolt. Install the front rail covers by sliding down from the top of the rail. Repeat this process with the second angled rail. Install the rear L bars at the bottom. Loosen the thumb screw in the rear basket and insert the rear L bars with the pegs facing outward. Then tighten the thumb screws. This is the hardware you'll need to affix the windshield to the cart. Insert the rubber grommet bolt into the frame, then place a washer and nut at the other end. The black plastic brackets are next. They go on either side of the windshield. Then, clip right onto the frame. When you connect the windshield to the frame, be sure to line up the notches at the bottom with the grommets. In this video, we've left the protective film on the plexiglass, but once you're ready to start driving, go ahead and take it off. This is the hardware you'll need to attach the top bar to the rear rails. Install the top frame, the rear view mirror mount towards the front of the cart to the rear vertical rail by aligning the rear holes in the top frame with holes in the rear vertical rails. Install the top frame to the front vertical rail by aligning the front holes in the top of the frame and loosely attaching the hardware. Do the same to the other side. Place a rubber stopper in the end of each bar. Now, tighten down all the hardware and knobs that were left loose and install the screw for the cover on the vertical rail. Install the vinyl top with the pocket and the 2 closed nylon loops towards the front of the cart. Slide the pouch over the top frame, and loop it on the pegs. In the rear, pull the vinyl top over each corner, then attach the nylon loops to the rear pegs. This may require you to pull the material down while attempting to attach the loop. Don't pull on the loop with too much force. If there's too much slack on the loop, twist or tie a knot in the middle. With that, your resort top is installed and you're ready to go. To learn more or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.